Hello friends, welcome to Unix programming tutorials. In this class we are going to learn some basic commands available in Unix. So first command, echo. The echo command is used to display message. It's like printf function in C. So if you are using echo, if you press enter, it returns a blank line. Okay, so echo ITUTEES channel. So that means if you give in the double quotation, it prints with spaces. That means it prints as like this. ITUTEES, so spaces, 3 spaces, channel. If you are giving the directly ITUTEES spaces channel, then it removes these spaces and it returns ITUTEES space channel. Okay, so that means in this case, this echo command treat these as a arguments. So in previous class we discussed about the Unix commands are received either 0 arguments or 1 arguments or more arguments. Okay. The second command is tput. Is used to control the movements of the cursor. So that means if you are thinking that this is the terminal, the cursor in the left top corner. Okay. So tput clear. Then the cursor is placed in left top corner. Okay. So tput cup. So that means now I am giving the 10, 20. So 10 represents rows, 20 represents columns. That means the cursor goes to 10th row and the cursor goes to 10th row and 20th column. Okay. So tput lines. It displays the current lines in the terminal. For example, if there is 18 lines, it prints 18 lines. And tput calls. So that means it returns the number of columns available in the terminal. For example, it is 200. It returns 200 as a columns. Okay. Next command, tty. So this command is used to know the name of the device file. In Unix, so every machine is attached with a device file. Okay. So now how we can know the device file means by using tty. Tty, if you press enter, then it returns so device so pts/0. So this is the file. All the device files are stored in device directory. So next command, who. So this command is used to know the login details. For example, I want to know who are logged in the system currently. Then I can use who. So now then it displays the names and the devices and the time of login details. If I use -h, then display the details with headers. If I can use -u, then it displays the ideal time of the users. So if I know the self login details, then I can use who am I. That's it. If you are giving this command, it returns your details. Okay. So uname command. So what is the purpose of the uname command? It returns name of the Unix system you are using. For example, I am giving uname, then it returns Linux. That means I am using the Linux as my system. Now, what is the name of my Unix system? My Unix system name is Linux. Uname -r, then it returns release date. Release date. If you are using -v, then it returns version. If you are using -m, then it returns machine details. Okay. So next command is date command. So date command displays the current date along with the time. So date, it returns day, month, date. So this is the current time. Okay. So for example, I am using date plus so percentage. This is the formatting of date. So percentage m, that means it returns some month in numeric form. What is the month here? June. It displays 06. If I use h, then it displays some month in string form. That means JUN. If I can use combinedly, then it returns JUN 06. Both. Okay. The next command is cal command. So print the calendar. If I use cal, then it returns the current month. Current month. If I want a specific month, then I can give can 05/20/20. Then it prints May month in 2020. I want entire calendar of 2020. Then it returns entire calendar 2020. Next command is password. So already we discussed that Unix provides the more security. Unix provides the password change to the user. You can change your password by using the password command. How? You can give the password command, then it asks old password. If you give the old password, then you give the new password 2 times. Okay, for better security reasons. I hope you all understand. So this is the old password you will enter first. Then you can assign the new password to your user login. Okay, the next command is log command. The log command is used to log the session for any required amount of time. So that means by default the time is 30 minutes. And you can log the system from 1 to 60 minutes. Okay, so log -45. That means I log this session 45 minutes. Next command is banner command. This command is available in SCO Unix. It is used to display banners or posters. SCO means Santa Cruz Operation. In this Unix only, this banner command is available. The purpose of the banner command is to display banners or posters. For example, so banner ITUTEES channel, then it displays ITUTEES as banner like this. U-U-E-S. In next line it prints channel like this. If I want the ITUTEES channel in one line, then I can give the content in double quotations. Next one is cat command. The basic purpose of this command is to create small Unix files. For example, I want to create a small file, then I can write cat. This we are called as a redirection operator. So cat greater than sample. So this is the file name. So after we press enter, here you are going to give the content in the file. You can type anything. So that is redirected to the sample file. After completion of entering the text, you can terminate this by using Ctrl D. If you are pressing the Ctrl D, automatically the prompt will comes. So for example, I want to see the content in this file sample. How? Cat file name. The main drawback of creating the files by using the cat is lack of editing capabilities. So instead of this cat, we are using VI editor to create files. Next command is BC command. So BC means basic calculator. The BC command is used as a basic calculator. So for example, I type BC, then the cursor goes to here. Now there are many predefined functions available in BC: sine, cos, sqrt. Okay, many functions are available in this BC. Now I want to find the square root of 55. How I can give square root? In brackets I am giving 55. Then it returns 7. So why? Because the default scale of BC is 0. Now how I can change the scale means by using scale equals to 4. Now sqrt of 55. Then it returns 7.4161. This is the scale. So how many digits? 4 digits. Here I am giving 4. Here it prints 7.4161. So I base and O base. So I base means input base. O base means output base. That means if I am giving the input that takes in the form of base with 10. For example, here I am giving 12 as input. This is the 12. So what is the base? 10. Now the output is printed by using the base 2. What is the base of 12? So that means this converted to the binary value 1100. In this we can write the loops also. For example, here for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 4, I equals to I plus 1. Here I am writing the expression. I cap 2, that means I power 2. So initially the I value equals to 1, it prints 1 square. After that 2, it prints 2 square. For 3, it prints 3 square. For 4, it prints 4 square. Okay, the condition is false. We come out from the loop. In BC command, you can write the small c programming instructions. Next command is spell and ispell. So check for, so these commands are used to check for words that are wrongly spelled in the document. It displays a list of misspelled words in the document. For example, so this is the document name sample. In this sample, already we store the text THS is an example. That means this is an example. Now I want to know so what are the words wrongly I write in this document. So how I can check means by using spell. So what is the document name? Sample. And press enter. It displays the wrongly spelled words in the document. So what is the word? THS. So next command is ispell. It is an interactive spell check program available in Linux. So how we can use this means I can write ispell and I give the document name. What is the document name here? Sample. Okay. So what is the content in the document? This is an example and wrongly spelled words are highlighted. So this will be highlighted. Now it shows some recommendations. So these are the number 0, this, so 1, VHS. So these are the options. So for example, I press 0, then this THS is replaced with THIS. If I press 1, this THS is replaced with VHS. So for example, I want to ignore, then I can press small I. So if there is another word with the same spelling, then I can use ignore all. If I want to replace this with some ABC, then I can press small r. Then here in the prompt they are asking replacing word. For example, I am giving ABC. Now this is replaced with ABC. So replace all means, so this is also replaced with ABC. So add means the THS is also add to the dictionary. Next time onwards, it cannot identify this as a wrongly spelled word. And this is for exit X. I hope you all are understand all the basic commands available in Unix.
Echo command is used to display messages. Echo space, it prints blank space. Echo, so in double quotation you are giving, that prints the data. If you are not giving the quotations, then it treats these as a arguments. Tput. So tput is used to control the movements of the cursor. Here I am giving tput cup 10, 20. Now the cursor goes to 10th row and 20 column. Now I want to print tput lines. Here the lines are 24. I changed the lines, tput lines. Now it prints 27. In the same way you can check columns also. Tput calls, it prints 80. I changed the column size. Tput calls 88. We know the terminal device file name using tty. So who command is used to know the who are logged in the system now. Here only one I log in. So -hu means it prints the headers. Uname command returns name of the Unix system. So uname -r means release details. -m means machine details. Date command displays the current date. So date -%m represent numeric form of month. you are using date plus %h, then it represents the text format of month. By using the cal command, we print the current month calendar. So I want to know the calendar 08-1947, then I can give cal 08-1947. If I want to print cal 2020, then I can give cal 2020. It prints entire 2020 calendar. So cat command is used to create small files. How means cat greater than redirection operator, the file name sample. Here give the data. So this is a example, and I can terminate by using Control D. Now I want to display cat sample. The content is this is a sample example. This is a example. Now we can see the basic calculator. Now I can give, I want to find square root of 55. It returns 7. So now I want to change the scale. By default it is 0. Now it is 4. So square root of 55. Now it prints 7.4161. I base means input base. I am giving as a 10. O base means output base. I am initiating with 2. That means binary number. If I give the 12, it returns 1100. So we can write small loops also. For I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 4, I equals to I plus 1, I power 2. So that means I want to find the power of 2. So 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0. That means the output is in the form of binary. I want to change O base to 10. Now it prints. Now it print in the form of normal values, so decimal values. One 4 9. How I can quit the BC means by using QUIT, quit. Now you can see the spell command, spell sample. That means in sample document THS is wrongly spelled. Cat sample, you can see that this is a sample THS. Now I can check with ispell. That means it gives some recommendations. In the place of THS, I want to insert THIS. That means THIS is the number 06. So I give 06. Now we can see the result, cat sample. Now the content is changed.